Assalamu alaikum. Let me show you how to make this easy, quick, and delicious fried rice. And this fried rice is very colorful and irresistible. If you want to know how I made this rice, kindly watch to the end and make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and then turn on your notification bell to get you notified anytime I upload a new video, okay? And this fried rice is contagious, so be warned, okay? Let me quickly dive into the ingredients I will be using. So here I have some diced onions, eggs, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, and then yellow bell pepper. Here I have some curry powder, oyster sauce, salt to taste, dark soy sauce, and I have my rice, and for the rice I am using basmati rice, and I have liver and then chicken which I already marinated overnight. Okay, so for the liver I am going to fry it off camera and then I will bring it back. I also have chicken drumsticks here, and you can use any part of the chicken for this. I have my marinade, which I already have the recipe right on this channel. Curry powder, ginger and garlic powder, salt to taste, chicken seasoning. And these ingredients are for the chicken, okay? So next I am going to season my chicken on medium heat. Guys, always cook on medium heat, okay? Because we are not rushing to anywhere. So I will add my salt, curry powder, garlic and ginger powder, and here you can use garlic and ginger paste. Okay, I will add my chicken seasoning, add my marinade which I already have the video on my channel. I will add a little bit of water and I will allow it to cook for it to produce its own juice, though I will be using the water for the fried rice, but let's allow it to produce its own before I add additional water. So after cooking it for 5 to 7 minutes, I added water once again because I will need the stock for my rice. So I will give it a gentle stir, cover and allow it to come to a boil. After that, I will then remove all the chicken and then transfer it into my air fryer. And here you can actually fry it if you don't have an air fryer, okay? So I will drizzle some oil on it because I want it to be juicy. So I will air fry this and then I will be back. So here my chicken is well fried now, and just look at this. It's already given. So I will set this aside and then continue. In a pot, I will go in with my chicken stock, and here as you can see there's nothing in my stock, so I just added it without straining it. I added my dark soy sauce and then oyster sauce. I will then add curry powder, add salt to taste, and then I will add my washed rice. So here be careful of the salt, okay, because we already have the chicken stock here which already have all the ingredients. So give it a quick stir and then cover and allow it to cook for 10 to 12 minutes. Please don't overcook your rice, okay? Let it cook in between because we are using it for fried rice and we will stir fry it again. So it will come to a normal stage, okay? So this is my rice and I am going to just give it a stir like this to release all the heat in it to stop the cooking process, and then I will set it aside. In my wok, I will go in with oil and then transfer my marinated chicken in it, and I am going to stir fry this till it is done. So once it is done, I will set the chicken aside and then I will go in with oil again, add my eggs, and here I am going to scramble the eggs, and I will set it aside as well. Next, I will go in with my chopped onions, go in with all the bell peppers, and here we are going to stir fry it, okay? So make sure your heat is on high because we don't want the veggies to be too soft, okay? We want them to be crunchy, so stir fry it very fast on high heat and we are good to go. I will then add ginger and garlic powder, and you can add the paste if you want, okay? I added white powder because white powder is necessary in this recipe, okay? I will just give it a stir till everything is well incorporated. I will then add my rice. Can you see how the rice is not too soft and not too hard? So I will mix it till everything is well combined. I will then add all my proteins. So here fried rice need a lot of proteins, guys. So add proteins as much as possible, okay? Just give it a very good stir for everything to come together. And here I added my green pepper sauce to it, and I will stir till it is well incorporated as well. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and turn on your notification bell, okay? Thank you so much for doing that. And please don't forget to try this recipe. The rice really tasted good, guys. I won't lie to you, it tasted so well. And if you try this recipe, I bet you will be doing it more often. And for this pepper sauce, I have the video on my channel. Please watch the video and engage, okay? Mhm. So don't forget to subscribe. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video to this very end. And make sure to try it too. See you in the next video. Bye.